class 4th standard. Students, last class or in the last video, I have explained you about that is journey of cloud, right? I have explained you half of the chapter. In that you have learned about how did the cloud travel to the different areas. The different areas were like the desert area, the seashore area, the plateau, the hill area, the mountain area, and different areas. How did the cloud travels and what did the cloud see? I have explained you about that. Okay, now let's continue the chapter, and what it's there in the chapter, let us learn. And now we have to learn the extra natural things that are available in our earth. Okay, so let's start with the chapter. So let's start with the so from here I need to continue this chapter, that is air. You know that air is necessary for breathing, right? We need air for the breathing. Observe the picture. Factories, vehicles are letting out smoke. See here, all the factories and some vehicles, that is all are letting some smoke. This smoke enters the air and pollutes it. What happens? This smoke enters the air and pollutes it. You know that breathing of this polluted air causes the diseases. Yes, it contains, that is, number of chemicals which are entered into the air, and this air we breathe in, and this air is polluted air, and with this polluted air we will get number of diseases. How to prevent air pollution? Write in the 4 lines. We have to write 4 lines how to prevent, that is, air pollution. One thing I'll give you, how to prevent air pollution, that is they are letting the smoke in the air. So what we need to do, these things, if the vehicles are letting smoke, change the vehicles and use the vehicles through which we cannot let the smoke, or we can say that reusable vehicles, that is instead of using, that is, petrol and diesel, we can use electric vehicles through which the smoke will be less, and there will be no pollution in the environment. Okay, one thing is this, you have to write some 4 lines about how to prevent, that is, air pollution. So let's go with another, that is water. Water is very essential for our living beings, right? It is very essential. Without water we cannot live. You already know about water and its importance. See, water is very important in our life, right? You have learned about the chapter water, in which you have learned all the importance of water. Okay, observe this picture. You have to see this picture. See what all the things they are doing in the water. You have to see in this picture. Dirty water and rainwater are joining the sources of water, right? Some people are washing their vehicles in water. Some people are washing their clothes and utensils. So water is getting polluted. Water is polluted. The polluted water is not suitable for our use. If we use, that is, polluted water, we will suffer from that of different kinds of diseases. So water which is polluted, you should not use this water. All the details are given in the chapter, that is water. Okay, this is the short for your water. We can learn about, that is, water pollution. Write the steps that you can take to prevent, that is, pollution of water. What are the steps that you can take care from the pollution of water? You have to write this 4 lines. Next we will go for the soil. Soil is very important for the living beings. Soil is necessary for the growth of plants, to build houses and to make bricks, right? Soil is very necessary to build houses and make brick. Nowadays the soil is being polluted due to the overuse of plastics. Due to the overuse of plastics, soil is getting plastics, chemicals and fertilizers. The soil is getting polluted. Okay, so how to prevent this pollution? Write your 2 sentences in it. How do you preserve the soil pollution? Write 2 sentences. One, you will say that is avoid use of plastics. Okay, this is one of the prevention, and avoid use of chemicals, this is another. So prevent air, water and soil from being polluted, know about the steps to protect them, follow these steps and protect these valuable resources, because these are very essential for us and other living beings in our life. Okay, these are very essential in our daily life. We use this soil, water and air. You have to prevent this, otherwise the whole thing will be polluted and you will suffer from lot of diseases. Even you can harm your life also. Okay, you can it can may lead to death also. So you have to prevent it. Then weather and climate, these are the things that you will see. Observe the following pictures, match them with the correct sentences. You have to match them with correct sentences. Okay, wind is blowing. Where is the wind blowing here? See there, the last picture, this is the wind blowing. Okay, then it is very hot. It is very hot means what? The sun which is given here, the first picture, this is, it is very hot. Third, it is cloudy. See here, the clouds which are given in the second picture, this picture, it is cloudy. Then the last, it is raining. That is, here it is raining. This is about your weather and climate. Okay, that is what rain, cloud, hot, wind, these are the four things in the weather conditions. Okay, so in the situation given below in the picture shows that changes that occurs in a day. These are the changes that occurs in the day. This is called as weather. Changes which occur in a day is called as what? Weather. Remember that you have learned about weather in your previous classes. Weather you have learned about different in your previous classes, right? Weather means what? Different type. Whether the weather is changing, that is suddenly the climate changes. That is, if it is sunny and suddenly it rains, this is called as weather. Okay, weather report, that is what is the condition of it. We will show in the news, right? Weather report. This is about these things. Okay, let's go. That is, here it is, the one thing is given. Know this, the weather is changing during the day or day by day. The weather of the place is observed for the period of 30 to 35 years. The sum of this long time weather is called as climate. There is a relationship between, that is, climate and the life of the people. There is a relationship between climate and life of the people. Dress of the people and the construction of house, industries, crops depend upon the climate of the particular places. The house with slappy roof can be seen in the place of the heavy rainfall. Like this slappy roof means what? Slanting roof. Why it is given? Because rainfall, when rain comes, it should fall directly down to the earth. This is called a slappy roof. The crop such as jawar, ragi, etc. are grown in the very hot places with scanty rainfall. If hot places are there, less rainfall is there, the crops such as ragi, jawar are grown in that place. Okay, you have to write the difference between, that is, weather and the climate. What is weather? The changing in condition is called as weather, and climate means what? Your suddenly that condition related to this, that climate means what? Cold season, rainy season, summer season. This is your climate. Which is your climate now? Now it is winter season, right? This is your climate. You have summer vacation in April and May. How will the weather conditions be in your place at the time? After summer holidays, the school reopens. How will the weather be during that time? Seasons occurs due to the change in weather conditions. Generally, there are 3 seasons, that is summer season, rainy season and winter season. 3 seasons are there: summer, rainy and winter season. Here some situations are given which would write which season they belong to. Okay, you have to write which season they belong to. Bathing in cold water, this is summer season. Wearing woolen clothes and to feel warm, this is winter season. Sitting under the fan, summer season. Moving about wearing raincoats, this is rainy seasons. Trees shedding their leaves in summer season. Using an umbrella, it is in rainy season. There is a heat in the summer season. There is a change in the clothes you wear and the food you eat, right? You in the summer season you wear that is very light clothes, cotton clothes you will wear. In winter season you wear that is woolen clothes because you feel cold. Observe what type of food you eat in the summer season. In summer season lot of fruits you will eat in summer season, and what type of food you eat means what, which contain high level of glucose so that you can get energy. This kind of food you eat in the summer because of heat our body gets exhausted. Okay, what type of clothes do you wear in the summer season? You wear that is very thin clothes so that you will not feel hot. Okay, there is water everywhere in the rainy season. People walk holding umbrella. Observe the climate condition in the rainy season. Sometimes you see lightning in the sky, and immediately after the few seconds you hear the sound of thunder, right? This, like, can you see this picture? This is of thundering. This is lightning and thundering. Okay, in that, this happens in the rainy season. This happens in the rainy season. Observe this picture and write this name. This is thunder. This is what? Thundering and lightning. Thundering and lightning. See, you have to write, observe this picture and write the name. This is a rainbow. This comes after rain. Okay, after rain, when you see, there will be a 7 colors. This is called an rainbow. When does the rainbow occurs? It occurs after the rain. How many colors can you identify in the rainbow? Write the names here. You have to write the names here. 7 colors. Okay. The season which is very cold is called as winter season. In this season, people wear warm clothes. Trees shed their leaves in the winter season. Make a list of food items eaten during the winter season. Summer season, rainy season and winter season causes many changes in the life of the people. They influence the dress, costume, crop and food habits. Okay, all the things will be changed. Even the food habit will be changed, costume will be changed, crops will be changed, and food habits also will be changed. See, this is about the points that you need to know. Do you know this? The Himalayan mountain range is 2,400 kilometers long and it is covered with snow. Valley will be a V and U shaped. Okay, the plateau of Tibet is called as roof of the world. The soil that is deposited by the river is called as alluvial soil. Okay, the Thar desert is on the west of the India. uh, Mullayanagiri is the highest peak in Karnataka. Its height is about 1,925 meters from the sea level. Inhaling polluted air causes disease like tuberculosis and asthma. Pre-monsoon and post-monsoon winds bring rain to the India. More than half of the land surface is plain land. Kashmir is the valley region for North India. There are 7 colors in the rainbow, but these 7 colors are not visible clearly. Vibgyor. In English, the words used to remember the colors in the rainbow. These letters represents the beginning letters of the color. V indicates violet, I indicates indigo, B blue color, G green color, Y yellow color, O orange color, and R a red color. That's all about this chapter. Hope you have understood this chapter very well. So question answers will be given in the next video. Hope you have understood this chapter. So take care. Bye students.